CENTROID demonstrated its A560 and B4250 engine shop CNC Machining Centers at the recent Performance Racing Industry Trade Show in Orlando, Florida. Our 5-axis port block combination machine, the A560, with its patented articulating head and port-to-block fixture, was getting a lot of attention while machining a Billet 5300 big block Chevy cylinder head. Designed and manufactured by Naiser Racing Components out of Houston, Texas, we caught up with the owner, Todd Naiser, at the show and asked him to tell us about the head.
This right here is a 5300 big block 4-space big block Chevy head. Built it from a solid chunk of aluminum, 150 pounds it starts out at, and ends up around 50, 45 pounds, somewhere in that neighborhood. Built and designed the whole head in-house from scratch, everything in it. It has water jackets, which is probably unusual for a billet head. The holes are around 7/8 of an inch to start, and we open them up 2.5 inches or so on the intake valve, and almost 2 inches on the exhaust. So there's a lot of material that comes out.
How many tools do you use?
I use 25.
25.
I use every one that the machine can hold, just about, to do that head. 'Cause I do more than just ports. I do the valve guides, the spring seats. I drill and tap all these holes here in the machine. I drill and tap all the holes from here. I have some water holes that I have to drill to connect from one side of the head to the other that need to be on a 5-axis machine. Do the chambers and then spark plugs. So yeah, I don't have an open spot in the turret. Everyone's got a tool in it.
So the tool changer with a lot of capacity is important.
Yes. Yeah, if I had 40, it'd probably still be full. Just the less time you spend tearing tools apart, changing tools out, if you can just have it ready to go in the machine, and just leave them in there and run them, that makes it easy. And that definitely helps to have the 24 tools. Didn't think I would use them all.
Can you describe your overall experience with CENTROID, the machine and the company?
It's been great. Service, the technical support, bar none, is, I own other machines for other jobs, but I don't get the same technical support. If I have a question, I've got people I can call. They give me their cell phone number. I can call pretty much 24/7. I do respect their time off, but there are times when I've called, I get stumped, and they give me a hand. So it's hard to beat that kind of help.
Well, that wraps up another great year at the PRI Trade Show. Be sure to check out the rest of our videos located on our website and on YouTube. We'd like to send out a special thanks to DASA Racing, Modern Muscle, Mullins Race Engines, Naiser Racing Components, and Racer's Edge.